I'm Dane with Ceramic Pro, and a common question people ask is, can I ceramic coat my windows? Follow me outside and we'll take a look at a car. So we have a brand new 2023 Honda Civic here. It's getting the Ultimate Armor package, which includes a ceramic coating on all exterior surfaces of the car. That, of course, includes glass. The benefits of having your glass ceramic coated is that it's going to be a lot easier to clean. If you have any kind of bird droppings or sap that lands on your window, and maybe you don't get to it in time, it turns old and crusted on there, you won't have to sit and scrub it. It will wash off a lot faster. Another benefit is safety. Safety for yourself, your loved ones, and others on the road. Due to the hydrophobic properties of a ceramic coating, the water will not want to stick to your glass. It will roll up and bead off, which means you'll be using your wipers less, which is less of a distraction. And when water does freeze on the outside of your glass, it will be a lot easier to scrape it off. In conclusion, the answer is yes, you can have your windows ceramic coated on the outside. Now, a ceramic coating won't make the glass any harder to prevent scratching, but it will provide security and ease of cleaning. For more information or a free quote, visit ceramicpro.com.